Here we go. Boarding at this is our plane. AirAsia. Tara next. Ang ganda lang tingnan. Relaxing. Imagine, no? Maliit lang siya, ang Hong Kong. Pero punong-puno at maraming pwedeng gawin. Welcome to another episode of Lex and Candice Lupa's Family Adventures. And look guys, I'm now in Terminal 3 dito sa NAIA Terminal 3 sa Metro Manila because I am on my way to Hong Kong. And first time, overnight lang ako. May kukunin ako para kay Doc Candice. I'll be getting something for her and also buying some stuff for my kids. So check-in muna tayo ah. So I thought makaka-check-in ako kaagad but hindi pa pala ako nakabayad ng travel tax. So travel tax, may option ka to pay via online when you purchase the ticket or you can pay here sa airport. So after this, diretso na ako kasi wala naman akong, I don't have any check-in. So I'm just with my backpack. Overnight lang naman ako. And by the way, I got my ticket like last June. So tipid na tipid ito kasi very early and during the time, there was like a June promo, Independence Day promo. You know, you might not believe pero 4,000 pesos lang bili ko ng back and forth ticket na from Manila to Hong Kong via AirAsia. Supposedly, dapat evening flight, 11 p.m. Pero I was informed a few weeks ago na na-cancel 11, so na-move to 3 p.m. So that's why I'm here now, 12 noon sa NAIA Terminal 2. So bayad muna ako guys ng terminal tax.
You made that straighter.
Lang naman, 1,620 yung pagbayad. So I use my card para bilis at may record ako. By the way, pagpasok pala dito sa Terminal 3, huwag kayo sa gate 1 ang haba ng pila. So try to use gate 4. Konting lakad lang, pero pagdating nyo doon, pasok kaagad, walang pila. Guys, so time to fly in a few hours. Naghihintay, like I have 2 hours or over 2 hours. Pumunta ako dito sa food hall. So ang daming kainan. There are a lot of food choices. So it depends on you kung kakain ka pa or you wanna go inside. The more you go inside, like sa boarding gate, the less store options or food options. But even Mary Grace, and then Banapo, may Shanghai Saloon, and there's KFC. Siyempre, mga kids, yun yung hinahanap. And go around, guys. By the way, this is my first time to go abroad after a long time na mag-isa. So I'm the only one. Candice cannot yet travel because syempre breastfeeding sa aming baby na si Alexander who's just 8 weeks young, and then syempre kids, the 3 older kids have school, so it's just me and balik ka agad ako. So it's just a quick trip to Hong Kong. Outside the food hall, ang dami naman kainan din. Nandiyan yung Tim Hortons, McDonald's, meron pang donuts, Krispy Kreme, at marami pang ibang choices. So after around maybe 30 minutes, natapos na yung process from entering the Terminal 3, checking myself in kasi naka-online check-in ako tapos wala akong luggage, so diretso lang ako sa parang may lane sila for that. And I was able to pay already my travel tax, and yung nakalimutan ko, munti ka na sa immigration, I was there, yung e-travel. So guys, please make sure you fill up the e-travel para dire-diretso kayo. So you should do it the day before. And after that, medyo mahaba lang yung pila kasi you have to remove shoes sa x-ray machine, pati yung sa belt, tapos dadaan ka just to make sure, so safety. Masaya kasi shopping at pagkain. So I'm going now to tambay muna ng konti. I still have a little less than 2 hours to go before the boarding time. Let's go guys.
Still watching Lex and Candice Lupa's Family Adventures.
After a few hours of waiting for the boarding time, mag-board na kami in the next few minutes. And after 2 hours or so, we'll be in Hong Kong. Let's go guys, join me for my almost or less than 24-hour stay in Hong Kong. Okay, the look is like Parang local din, oh. Red and black. Medyo okay naman. Legroom. And then, syempre, yung sa what's a bit taas naman. Yeah. The seats are actually comfortable. I'm riding aisle seat. You know why? Kasi ayoko magbayad. I don't want to pay additional 800 for choice of a seat. So medyo ano pa rin yun, 2 meals ngayon sa Hong Kong. So practical moves. Palipad na kami and it's on time. And the best thing is, look guys, so supposedly aisle ako. So nilipat ako personally dito sa may sa may window dapat ako, nilipat ako sa aisle. And kanina, diba, they were asking 800 pesos for me to pay to get aisle seat. Hindi ako pumayag kasi sayang din 800 pang 2 meals din yun sa Hong Kong. But now, I'm sitting here sa aisle and I just got it for free. Wise moves. Okay, so we're here after 2 hours. Exactly 2 hours, guys. Exactly 2 hours. Galing. AirAsia on time and actually ahead of time pa sa target na 2 hours and 20 minutes or so. So thank you guys. So we're here in Hong Kong International Airport, Terminal 1. Okay, so to transfer you have to ride the train because it's so big here. Immigration, yes. So you know, parang ano no, it's like a airport within an airport, or it's like a big place. And this is 24 hours open, guys, on Hong Kong International Airport. Okay, guys, and this is a fast train. Yes, very fast train. Okay, so we'll ride the train. Sa inyo, tingnan nyo, that's why it's 24 hours open. Kasi punong-puno siya ng shopping. Now, I'm on my way to immigration para use public transportation. Well, we really do use public transportation like taxi, right? But it's a bit expensive. So since mag-isa lang ako, I'm the only one right now, right? So I'll just try to use the bus or the train going to my hotel. Yes. And I'm gonna walk if the exit won't go directly there. Okay. Alright guys, so done with immigration because I don't have any luggage at all. So trip, first time after a long time na solo traveler and overnight stay lang dito sa Hong Kong. So my 24 hours in Hong Kong starts now. So time to look for a train or a bus to go to wherever is nearest stop to my hotel. I'll just walk and I'll hopefully be able to go around pa sa my ocean terminal and do some stuff that my wifey asked me to do and buy stuff for the kids. So adventure to guys, hindi pa ako nagte-train or nagba-bus for a long time. Is the train parang purchasing, so 120 Hong Kong to Changi Station, Kowloon Station and Hong Kong Station. I don't actually know where exactly should I go down, so we'll from people here. It's medyo marami yung lilipat-lipatan ko mag-train kasi airport bus, hindi siya dire-diretso sa pupuntahan ko. Yung train, I mean, I'll take the bus instead. So the bus, they say, has way going directly to Jordan, where I have to go down like 7 minutes papunta sa hotel ko. So such an adventure. Let's go guys. And on my way to 822, so I have to look for it there, and I'll be riding the bus going to Jordan Station. Ang saya guys. So YP and the kids, I love you guys, and this is for you. Guys, kailangan alam nyo kung saan, kung sa left side or right side. Ang daming bus stop areas dito or yung mga sakayan. Nahanap ko na A22 and I will be going down there sa Jordan. Finally, nakasakay na tayo. We're here now in the bus A22. So I'll be going down sa Jordan. So I'll check, I'll make sure that I go down the right bus stop. Okay. Level of the bus. Beautiful Hong Kong.
1 hour later.
Here now sa city, mismo sa Hong Kong, city center, and we went down Jordan station. So I'm looking for my hotel because they say it's near here. So this is such an adventure. 7-Eleven, so many things. You know, when you're in Hong Kong, Chinese stuff. And it's a bit here now. I've been going around and around. It's just here, guys. Finally, so we're here in Ramada Grand. It's here. So check-in first. So check-in was quick. So I'll now go to my room. Probably just sleep, and then tomorrow na lang mag-mall. Guys, no? It looks like just a medyo dated lang siya, but it's okay. It's just 2,800 pesos a night via booking, but with taxes I paid 3-4. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Elevator looks so dated, but it's okay. Ramadan by Wyndham. Look, guys. Yeah, disco. So let's go to my room. We'll check first. 2316. Even the corridors are a bit small. It's fine already, but we shouldn't expect so much, right? 3. This is it. This is my room, guys. Okay. So, yeah, it has 2 beds. I requested for 1 king, but they said they only have 2 single beds, so it's fine. Yes. So this will be very affordable if you go here like dalawa kayo, right? Hindi yung isa lang. The CR. Wow. Tight space. But it's okay. It's 10 minutes to 8 p.m. here, September 10. So maybe time for me to rest. Bukas na lang ako pupunta sa mga malls at gawin yung mga chores. Syempre for my beloved Dr. Candice, so wifey, and of course my kids, Alexa, Tom, Lexi, and Alexander. So see you in a bit. I'll bring you to some places here. Actually, we've brought you there, but I'll bring you again in the next few minutes when I wake up from sleep. Right, guys? View from my hotel. Yes. Thank you to Google Maps. Kahit wala akong roaming, pero nagawa ko ng paraan. I passed by a store para lang makakuha ko ng Wi-Fi, and then I did Google Maps so that it guided me to go to this hotel. Morning, guys. So we had a good night's sleep and we just have a few hours left. So it's the whole day. My flight's at 6 p.m. so I have to be at the airport at 3 p.m. So I'll be starting with my chores. So the reason why I am here in the next 1 or 2 hours, and I'll hope to finish before 1 p.m. Good morning. Ooh. Not so much people yet. Okay, so we're ready to go. So mabilis ang checkout. Tapos I asked them help to put in Chinese yung location na pupuntahan ko. Originally, I was thinking of riding a taxi para para sigurado, pero I'll just walk kasi wala akong treadmill here, or I don't have time to go to the gym. So this will be my exercise aside from being able to see some things while on the way. So let's go. Okay, what's important is you look for Nathan Road. When you're here in Nathan Road, it's easy to find the location you are going to. Very early tayo dito, guys. Wala pang masyadong tao. And most of the stores are closed. It's 8:10 a.m. in the morning right now. So, mabilis na siyang hanapin. So I'll go to Harbor City sa may ocean terminal. And then a little bit later, yeah, I'm gonna pass by Peninsula Hong Kong. It's around 19 minutes, guys, so we'll start walking. Ito na maalala ninyo, let's always remember Tsim Sha Tsui Station. So ito yun sa may Nathan Road, tapos corner Canton Road. So I'm on the way now to Harbor City. And then some of our favorite hotels stay at andito like Marco Polo and Prince Hotel. But syempre, since I'm alone, I got a much cheaper hotel. Tapos kaya naman, no? Mabilis lang naman. So siguro it's like a 10-15 minute walk from Ramada. And sa may Harbor City tayo. Tingnan nyo, puro mga branded. Yes, Harbor City na. And 10 o'clock sila nag-open. So I'll wait a bit before ako kapasok for the 10 a.m. opening of Harbor City. Punta muna ako sa may bay nila. Mag-enjoy lang, chill lang, relax. And then check ko na rin yung bus para makasakay ako ng bus papuntang airport mamaya. So time check, it's 8:15. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 more hours left here in Hong Kong. Tayo ng Harbor City, tingnan yung mga brands. So may Chanel, Baobao, and then Paul Smith, and marami pang iba. So most of the stores are so closed, so I'll be waiting for the opening. Star Ferry, so andito yung bus, and syempre may mga boat makapuntang Macau or paikot. Yes. Not sure, get a map, get guidance, and I did from the Hong Kong Tourism Board. Thanks guys. 1 hour to go before the 1 hour and a half to go before the malls open and before the place pupuntahan ko for my wife opens. So natin dito sa may bay, and I was guided by the tourism board to go to the Avenue of the Stars. Puntahan ko muna. It's like a 15-20 minute walk from here. Chill lang. So after a few minutes guys, nandito na tayo. It's my part na madaming nag-run. Yan, nag-exercise sila. Iba naman nag-photo. And may mga statues. So Avenue of the Stars papunta doon. So we'll just walk around here. We have a few more minutes before it hits 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m. so that I can do things I have to do and the reason why I am here. Parating na rin tayo. One of the most iconic na hotels dito. Dito na ako. Waiting lang. 20 minutes more before it opens. Big dito. So it's very good na they provide water. Just waiting for a few more minutes before it opens. Guys, tapos na ang main reason why I'm here. So, punta na ako sa iba pa. Dagdag na lang para masulit. Peninsula right now. Time to do some more chores and then I'll go back to Harbor City. The Peninsula Hong Kong has a lot of prestigious brands na shops or yes. And may ara sa basement. So they have Patek Philippe here. Inu. And there's Jacobo. And there's a lot also here on the other side. Like jewelries, watches, luggages, and more. A go-to place for a lot of people who are into quality and high-end brands. So dito na tayo. We're back in Harbor City. This is Harbor City. So I will just do some chores, buy some things. My wife Candice asked me to buy for her, for Alexa, for Lexi, and of course for Lexton and Alexander. And then time to have quick brunch, and I should be at the bus stop by 2 p.m. so that I could be in the Hong Kong Airport Terminal 1 by 3 p.m. Such a fast stay. Quick one here in Hong Kong. Finished shopping for Mommy Candice, for Alexa, and for Lexi. So boys na lang. Kay Lexton at kay Alexander, medyo mahal lang yung sa una kong pinuntahan, so I'll check. But gutom na ako, hindi pa ako makain since last night. Great places here. Max Meats. Biscuit tayo guys. It's 60 Hong Kong. So around 400 pesos. And syempre may free na house tea. So nabitin ako. So I ordered ito naman shrimp and I think pork, wonton noodles. So total pay, babayaran ko is 129 or mga around 900 to 1,000 pesos. So brunch ito. Breakfast and lunch. Medyo mahal, no? Pero it's good. Last na lang kay Alexa, kay Alexander at kay Lex Tom. And medyo busog na ako. So that was my dinner, breakfast, and lunch. So sulit din, right? So at this point, I'm going to my favorite dessert. Dito lang kasi yun, and some other countries, wala pa sa Philippines. Hopefully magkakaroon soon. So I'll show you guys yung hindi pwedeng hindi ko mapuntaan at hindi ko pwedeng hindi makain when I'm here in Hong Kong. Ito na, excited na ako. Let's go Daiba! Soft serve ice cream. So we'll have the soft serve ice cream now. It's 59, so 60 times around 8, mga 400 plus. Sobrang worth ito guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sarap talaga nito. Yan, prepare niya para sa akin. This guy is such a thing of beauty. Sarap. Binabalik-balikan ko to. Dati when we were here for a few days, every day, kumakain ako nila. Sarap. Okay, so we're off na to the airport. It's 1:15 and it takes around 1 hour to go there. So better to be early kasi sa malate tayo. Dapat 3 hours before the flight. So 6 p.m. ang flight ko. I should be there on or before 3 p.m. So I found it. A21 yung bus. Malapit lang ang Ocean Terminal dito sa may Nathan. Guys, sumakay. So dapat alam mo lang kung saan. A21. Tapos may guide naman. Nakalagay to airport. Ito naman sa video, diba? So, it will take an hour and then all set na tayo sa pagbalik. Technically, I'm around 3 hours or 4 hours and 30 minutes less than 24 hours na ako dito sa Hong Kong. Some tips guys, pag nag-bus kayo, aside from sinabi ko kanina, you can pay cash pag sumakay ka, lalo na kapag galing ka city center or may dala kang card, so itap mo lang. Tapos dito honesty system, lalo na sa cash. Pero yung thing lang with cash, walang change, so hinuhulog mo lang kasi yung pera sa parang malapit sa driver. So better na eksakto yung pera mo or use your card to pay for your bus. Approximately 40 Hong Kong dollars mula doon sa sinakyan ko kanina sa may Nathan Road na malapit sa Ocean Terminal papuntang airport. By the way, I was just informed by my airline, AirAsia, na delayed ang flight ko by around 1 hour. So sana nakastay pa ako, no? Pero okay lang. Better to be early sa airport kesa sa late. We're here at the airport. Okay, time to disembark guys. Okay, so airport na tayo. I'll be waiting for like maybe 4 hours. Dapat 3 hours lang. 4 hours kasi nga na-delay yung flight. At maraming kainan. Yeah. Tsaka very convenient to. Laki. Yung Hong Kong International Airport. Kahit di ka passenger, makakapasok ka. So mahahatid ka. Pero hindi sila yung parang, iba yung Pinoy, di ba? Yung culture natin, buong barangay naghahatid or sumusunod. Sa kanila hindi. Parang relax lang. Chill lang sila. And then they know where to send and stop for their mga ihahatid. Di pa pwede mag-check-in. Technically, naka-check-in ako online. Pero they said, kahit meron akong boarding pass, I have to check in here. So, to check ko lang mamaya, wala naman akong luggage. So, I have probably an hour or so left before maka-check-in. So, hanap muna ako ng regalo or pasalubong or pinapabili. As requested by my wife, Doc Candice, for our children or our sons kasi our daughters already have. So, for Alexander and for Lex. Let's go. So, tapos na sa immigration. So, hintayin na lang. 2 hours siguro before ako boarding. Nice. So, more shopping, more food guys. Hanap tayo mamaya. More food. And more shopping. There's Chanel and other brands. Ikot lang tayo. So, syempre, let's just try to do something to pass the time. Something for Alexander from Disneyland Hong Kong shop here. ko makita dito. So ito yung gusto niya. Gordon Ramsay food to go. Burger with fries as well as a drink. Although he will just eat the burger kasi yung fries mamaya soggy na. Cheeseburger with fries. Yes, 9 Hong Kong dollars. So times around 7.8. Medyo mahal, no? But, well, it's Gordon Ramsay. So we'll just wait for 10 minutes for it. And then I'll now proceed, after that I'll proceed to the boarding area. So it was a fun trip here, guys. And quick 24-hour stay here in Hong Kong. For 3 hours and 30 minutes here sa Terminal 1 of Hong Kong International Airport. I got the gate na. Bago lang nagkaka-reflect lang. So, gate 213. So, the Hong Kong International Airport is so big. So, it's not just a walk in. So, we have to ride the train again to go to the boarding gate. So, timing lang. Kasi by 6:30 or 7, mag-board na. So, play na tayo. We'll be in Manila in Philippines 2 hours from now. So again, thanks guys for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. And please watch us again in our next vlog. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys. See you. Bayan! Back na tayo sa Pilipinas. Kung mahal.